Hey everyone, if you're having trouble signing into AppFlowy, getting login errors, stuck on the authentication screen, or unable to access your workspace, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy login not working problems in 2026. First, double-check your login credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your AppFlowy account. A simple typing mistake can prevent successful login. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option and create a new password before attempting to sign in again. Next, check your internet connection. AppFlowy authentication and synchronization services require a stable connection to communicate with servers. Another common fix is completely closing AppFlowy and reopening it. Temporary session issues can sometimes prevent successful authentication. If you're using the desktop application, make sure you're running the latest version of AppFlowy. Updates often include fixes for login and synchronization issues. You should also verify that your device's date and time settings are correct. Incorrect system time can occasionally interfere with secure authentication systems. If AppFlowy supports third-party sign-in methods, such as Google or GitHub, confirm that you're selecting the correct account during the login process. Another helpful step is clearing cached application data if AppFlowy provides that option. Corrupted session files can sometimes cause persistent login problems. And that's how to fix AppFlowy login not working problems in 2026. In most cases, checking your credentials, updating the application, clearing cached data, and verifying your connection will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.